Dale Carnegie once famously said, "Remember that a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest and most important sound in any language." Our name is our identity. Most of our Indian names are kept according to the planetary positions in our astronomical charts. And our names can mean a lot to us. It can reveal a lot about our personality as well. Names are to be respected. They are to be said with the correct pronunciations, and there is some etiquette that needs to be followed when we are taking other people's names. Our names will define our success. Our names will be long remembered after we are gone. And today I would like to share with you 3 tips on proper name etiquette. Hi everyone, my name is Rashida Kapadia. I am an internationally certified image consultant. I like to call myself a life and style guru because I not only help people to look great, I also empower them with life skills. So the first tip that I would like to share with you today is correctly pronouncing people's names. Most of the times I have observed that people mispronounce difficult names or foreign names. Now, in such a situation, all we need to do is request the other person to please repeat their name or help us to pronounce their name correctly. This not only shows that we respect them, we care for them, but we also believe that their name is their worth and is their identity, and mispronouncing their name can also change the meaning of their names. So we need to pronounce each person's name correctly. The second tip that I would like to share with you is to not call people by their pet names or shortened names unless they give you permission to do so. And I have seen on Facebook as well that many people who are not acquainted to me personally, I just know them because of Facebook, and they are actually new friends and I haven't met them at all. They have taken the liberty to call me by my pet name and my shortened name, which my friends and my close family members address me by. And I absolutely do not approve of this. I'm sure many of you have pet names which you would not like new people to call you by. So people, do remember that we need to call people by their pet names or shortened names only when they give us permission to do so. Until they do that, you have to call them by their full names. I would like to share with you a quote by W.H. Auden. "Proper names are like poetry in the raw. Like all poetry, they are untranslatable." Our names are proper nouns, and it's imperative that we write them with the first alphabet in capital letters. A few days back on a WhatsApp group, we were wishing a colleague success in her endeavors, and she replied to all of us by saying thank you, but all our names began with a small letter. And that, according to me, is a very big faux pas because you are disrespecting the other person. So remember, in any correspondence, do make it a point to see, even if it takes you a little more time, and even if you're too busy, to type someone's name with the first alphabet in capital letters. These are the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you today. In my next video, we will be talking about the 3 hacks of remembering people's names easily. I hope you enjoyed listening to me today. If you did, then do hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your family and your friends. And please do subscribe to my channel. This is Rashida Kapadia saying bye for now. See you soon.